Sorry if my computer's lagging.
No, you say you're down with it. Won't tell them how you hit the ground with it. Girl, you know I'm from Chicago. I act a fool, Bobby Brown with it. In it, nobody take me out though. You got gifts, bring them down to South Pole. Every time I go to put me out. Don't you worry about it, I gon' bring it out. Only you got me feeling like this. Oh, why? Love it while rapping the rhythm of your hips.
Change that colour please, Rusty. You don't like that because...
What colour? Oh.
I don't like that monster screen.
Oh, it's not monster screen. It's not.
I don't like it.
Okay. I'll change it.
You're going in the front room, okay?
Yep. Can I have a drop of Coke?
Sorry?
Can I have a drop of Coke? Thank you.
I did hear you say please, did I?
Yeah, I did. Did I say please, guys? Let me be down and... Sorry, it's my favourite song. Loving the rhythm of tears. I need a companion, girl. I guess that must be you. Someone said hi. Body like the summer, fucking like no other. Don't you tell them what we do. Don't tell them, you ain't gotta tell them, don't tell them, don't tell them, don't tell them, don't tell them, you ain't gotta tell them, don't tell them, don't tell them.
934-8616. I got a missed call from your bitch. She been blinding on me for good. She wanna suck my dick in a four.
Sorry about the rude language in this song.
That she pretty pussy, I met her on the internet. On my late night thirsty. Cause it was late night and I was thirsty. Girl, I been to that county, girl. I ain't tryna handcuff you to that bed, girl. It ain't no.
Okay, that's pretty different song. Gotta go to sleep. These are AJ music videos, by the way. Oh yeah, guys, if you want, oh, Izzy's online as well. She's a beta. Look at her trade. I'm not going to trade away, but there's more like stuff. You can go at her and Daisy Chan. She's bad, she used to be a member, and she has so many respites, but she used to be a member. I'll show you again, I think it's sort of better. Not really. Oh, she got paper.
I rock the song just looking at you. Oh, oh. Yeah, the drums they swing low, and the trumpets they go. They play for you, girl. And the trumpets they go. Yeah. Yeah, the trumpets they go. Remind me of a Coldplay song, Coldplay song. Is it weird that I hear trumpets when you're turning me on? Is it weird that your bra remind me of a Katy Perry song?
Oh wow. what? I don't have to.
Yeah, you do.
They can't hear it. She can't hear it. Put another song on. This is my fave song. I'm gonna make an intro out of this, so yeah. See? She's all about it. I'm gonna stop the video soon. So yeah, you should totally add her. She's like super beta and super rare. After this song, I'm gonna. Okay. Sure thing. After this, I'm gonna go. What? I'm trying to win. Hehe. Oh, what? Oh, yeah. Hehe, okay. BRB. I'm getting the drink, guys.
That's why I don't know how I'm feeling. Oh, this is so good. Please don't see me back. I'm not the mess out of it. And you can move head over the food or anything else. I know you're upset, but don't come in here tagging off my arm because that's a surefire way of you being born out big style. It's not a friend, standing place. You were confident. Oh, we were just trying to see this vegetable blog. Do you mind just looking a bit to your eyes? Don't mind how you can see she's upset. Anyone has got anything to say about my son?
Oh, whoops.
I don't think his name was mentioned. He's done nothing wrong.
I want to go across, so.
We don't all kill people and then we'll come in with what happened. Come on, listen to anyone any favors. Just she's upset.
I think she can win. She gonna win this one. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting. Oh.
I know how I go on saying
I'm going easy on you. Go easy on me now.
I can't. I need to keep myself. Oh, come on, Nicola. You're not stupid. You're happy enough taking my money and sucking kiss.
She won 3 times. Oh, sorry guys. It's time for us to go. Say bye. Not yet. Okay. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you all in another video. Bye.